nice and easy. Oh, here we go. We're chilling. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? I know it's been just a little bit of time since I last uploaded, but I've tried to make this video like 3 or 4 times now. So hopefully this goes smoothly. And you guys should be seeing this on my channel soonish, which would be kind of dope. Anyway, yeah, I'm back on the bike. I just got home from college a couple weeks ago. Figured I'd fuck around a little, huh? Woo! My fucking handguard came out. That's what fucked me up there. I kept feeling something on my wrist. Let's see if we can fix this without going home. It's probably gonna fall out again. Yeah, I need to tighten this. Alright, we're still recording. It's actually supposed to rain for the next like 5 days, so I figured I'd get out on the bike before that and make a little video for you guys. So just kind of a little update, which is kind of dope. We're at like 10,000 subscribers right now. Well, a little over. We're like 10.4, I think, almost. And we actually, I think a week or 2 ago, actually it was last week, yeah, we hit 1 million total views on YouTube, so that's super awesome. I can't thank you guys enough for that. I'll try and make like a 10,000 subscriber special, 1 million view special, whatever you guys want. Just kind of something to show my appreciation, but I haven't really had the time. Yeah, you can see storms are brewing. It's a little windy. About to fucking pour in a couple days. It's gonna be gnarly. So might as well have my fun now, huh? It's fucking tire, man. Yeah, honestly, there's no like real topic for this video. I kind of just wanted to ride, but holy fuck, man, it's so windy right now. I'm more than happy to post whatever you guys want to see, whether it's like vlogs, topic videos, like either they liked my wheelie or they didn't. Whatever a honk means. Yeah, so before I got distracted, sorry, I have a lot of things going on my mind right now. Fuck. Oh yeah. So, okay, that's what I was thinking of. Topics for like videos. Whatever kind of videos you guys want to see, I'm more than happy to post. So whether that is like topic videos, just kind of me out riding like I'm doing now, just spewing nonsense, or edits, or I don't even know, like just riding with other people, maybe like a wheelie tutorial or something. I don't know, like whatever you guys really want to see, I'm more than happy to do. Should we send this right now? No. Okay. Alright, we're not doing that. Yeah, so just comment below and let me know what kind of stuff you guys want to see. Just make like requests and shit, and I'll try and fill whichever ones I can. That's a sick G-Wagon. Yeah, I'm kind of just leaving it up to you guys. I can just post these kind of regular riding videos, or I can like kind of do topic stuff. It's just more, I don't really know what to talk about in like topic videos, so that's why I need you guys to give me suggestions below on what you kind of want to hear me talk about or see. I've realized that talking to yourself while riding is extremely difficult. Y'all have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm actually like horrible at it. I feel like an idiot. to upload this for you guys today if the footage comes out good. Like I said, it's been like 4 times since I've tried to make a video, And it didn't come out good, so fingers crossed this one comes out good. I don't know why I keep doing that, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, anyways, I'm actually recording this on my Hero 3 right now. Oh, third gear. Yeah, cause my Hero 4. Oh, no way, I just got a bug in my eye. You gotta be fucking joking. Wow. Holy fuck, I feel it. Oh, it's moving. Going to neutral. Nice. Little off-road. Close one. I think we just gotta do some street riding, and I can actually focus on talking instead of focusing on not hitting these fucking trees. I'm very out of practice on off-road, so don't judge me in the comments. I haven't ridden, oh, that tree's down. I haven't like really ridden off-road in a while. Usually it's just every once in a while. It's mostly just street riding. I like to just fuck around with wheelies, go to the beach. At like the end of the day and stuff, just a nice chill ride that doesn't require any like energy like this does. That's just because I'm lazy. You guys probably know I'm lazy. I haven't posted in 2 fucking years. Hopefully this becomes a video. If it doesn't, then my channel's just probably gonna be deleted. Alright, nice and easy. Let's just chill for a sec. Or not. These knobby tires are like relatively new. Only a couple 100 miles on them maybe. 200 or 300 tops. This is where I broke my ankle, right here. What an idiot. I feel like at this point I'm just riding and rambling on. So I don't really know what to do. Maybe I'll be like cool and put music over this and just ride, but I'm probably gonna head home like relatively soonish, so. Nice and easy. Oh, here we go. We're chilling. Not bad, actually. That one hasn't been one of my best ones yet. I just need to be able to transfer from like sit down to knee knocker and then like vice versa. That's like a big goal, I guess. Maybe for the summer, we'll work on that. We'll go check out the pond real quick. See how that looks. If for some reason the video or audio in this video is fucked up, I'm gonna be so pissed. I have so many people to ride with this summer, and I'd really just prefer if everything went smoothly. Pond looks good though. How did I just stall? I literally had the clutch in. So this is the predicament I kind of run into a lot when I'm riding and just talking to myself is I don't really know what else to say now. So I like if you guys go below and comment, actually 2 things. Like this video so I know how many people I still have watching me. I'm not expecting anything crazy. Oh shit. Not expecting anything crazy, but this video will probably get a couple views, a couple likes. But then go below and comment and just let me know like stuff you guys want to see. And I think that will make the content way more enjoyable. for you, and then also it'll make it easier for me, so I'm not just rambling on talking nonsense like I am right now, which is what I do most of the time I ride. If you look at my old videos, it's just literally just chaos. I'd say like my newer videos, it doesn't feel like I'm into it as much. I don't know why. I'm still like very adamant about making videos. I just don't know really what to make videos on. I feel like you guys lost interest. I lost interest. So I'm gonna try and fix that and do some fun shit that hopefully you guys enjoy. So, wow. Holy shit. I can actually wheelie a lot better now than I think when I used to upload. I think I'm gonna go wherever this guy's not going. And he's probably gonna go right. Yeah. So we're going this way. The only thing that sucks about this, the video quality is going to be horrible because it's on a Hero 3 Plus and not my 4. At least I'm hopefully getting this video out to you guys. Again, I don't know if it's going to look good or not. Hopefully it will, but if it doesn't, maybe I'll get the 7. I wanted to be in front of this Porsche, but hopefully they whip. I'm trying to do a wheelie down this road. Here we go. Why are you always going the way I'm going? Can I pass you real quick? I'm pretty sure I do need to do an oil change. Actually, I'll do that before I ride next time. Yeah. Because I don't know, I think the last one was probably 2,000 miles ago, so it's probably time we change that. I'm fucking tired. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to go below, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, just let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. And I appreciate all of you guys who have stuck around. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.